Hi, everybody. So, I hope you're having a great break, or I hope you had a great break, depending on when you watch this video. I'm releasing this video in the middle of fall break, just in case anyone wants to get a head start. I know a lot of us are super overwhelmed trying to fit all of our projects in the right time frame, and so I'm going to release this project, or the second half of this project, during fall break if you want to get a jump start. But if not, welcome back to school, and I hope you had a great fall break. So let's go over a couple of just refresh our brains on exactly what we were working on. So you chose a human achievement that you believe to be inspirational. I love the variety of achievements that were chosen by the 45 of you. It was pretty cool, actually. So what you're going to do is you are going to go back into your Google Classroom. Let's make this small. You're going to go to period 1 Google Classroom. You're going to go into your assignments. And there's actually 2 assignments that are up: Google Slides for Human Achievement and Research of Human Achievement. I want to review this one. This one you should have already finished. We should have finished it before fall break. But just in case, let's go over and review exactly what it is. So you're going to pretend that you're a newscaster. You're going to research the big scoop, and the big scoop is, what human achievement do you believe to be inspirational and have a global impact? So we're thinking about things and achievements that had a global impact. After collecting all of the information you need, you get to tell the story. So basically, you're going to pretend like you're a reporter, and you're going to give us the big scoop of the human achievement that you've researched and tell us the story. Super excited to hear your stories, because some of the achievements you guys have chosen, I know very little about. So I'm actually excited to learn some new information through this process. You are going to have 3 parts. First is the research, and you should already be done with the research. But if you're not right now, please work on the research. We're going to talk about that in a minute. The second thing is the Google Slides. And then the third is Flipgrid, or whatever video program you choose. Okay? So you're going to choose, first you're going to choose your human and their achievement. You're going to choose a minimum of 2 websites that are valid websites. We've already gone over this in class, and you guys were actually really good at it coming to me. Your elementary teachers did a great job teaching you what was a valid website, so you already know this part. And you are going to write down your notes for research. Remember, our notes for research are centering on only a couple of things. So let's go over. Let me scroll down to the rubric. I want to go through the 3rd category right here, because this is our central idea. This is our focus. The purpose is to that your newscast establishes your purpose at the beginning, maintains your focus throughout, and is a cohesive newscast. And what is your focus? Our focus is, how did this human achievement have a global impact? So you're focusing on, how did this human achievement have a global impact? That's your big question. That's your essential question of your entire assignment. This entire project is, how did the human achievement have a global impact? So remember, every detail, you're at minimum up here, it says for research, you have at least 3 pieces of research accurately cited, and all of the facts that you report must be true and factual. These 2 sections are 100% already done through your research, or at least they should be. But all of the information that you've gathered is focused on the central idea, the essential question, the big question, which is, how did this human achievement have a global impact? And that's the central focus of your entire newscast. So now that you have your information of what was the human achievement and how was it important, you can put together your actual newscast. So the first thing you're going to need for your newscast is graphics. And now this is what we will start when we come back from break. So if you want to get a jump start, right here, this is it. If you're waiting and not watching this video until you're back from break, it's time to start here. This section should already be done. Graphics is, I've posted the assignment today, and it is the human achievement. If you go to Google Classroom Classwork, period 1, by the way, because we're still in humanities, it's Google Slides for human achievement right here. And there are only 3 slides. And your slides are going to be mostly pictures, because the idea of these slides is that you're putting together an entire newscast. And so this will be the graphics that accompany your story. If you give me just a second, I need to pull up speaker notes. Hold on, I don't want to waste time. Okay, I had to adjust my screen because I couldn't reach and grab this. So if you look in the speaker notes, it tells you, first of all, your human achievement slides, there are only 3 slides. And in the speaker notes, it'll tell you exactly what to include in each of the slides. What I want to focus on is slide number 2 and slide number 3. Slide number 2, the title of your slide right here, is the actual achievement. You're going to name the human achievement. And the text part isn't text. It says explain what the achievement is through pictures. You're going to do the exact same thing for global impact. Your title is going to be called global impact. Those are going to be the only words on this slide. Then you're going to explain how this achievement impacted interactions on a global scale. So that's what you're doing. Instead of text, focus on pictures. And back to our rubric. Those 3 slides is this section of your rubric. Your graphics have to have original material and are clearly related to the material being presented. Literally pictures put together. Your original pictures means that you're not going to just use the pictures from the websites that you find through your research. You're going to go and find actual pictures online that help explain the global impact and also help explain the human achievement. Okay, the last section. You have 2 sections right here. Your newscast is to be between 1.5, I'm going to skip down. Your newscast is going to be between 1.5 and 3 minutes, and it cannot seem very, very hurried or too slow. You are more than welcome to use whatever platform you choose. I know some of us are good at iMovies. I know some of us are YouTubers, which is awesome. I've created a Flipgrid place for you to use it. For those of us that are not familiar with video programming, we can use Flipgrid. I don't care what platform you use. You can use whichever platform you'd like, as long as you treat it like it's a real newscast. I'm kind of excited to see your creativity through this process. And you spend 1.5 to 3 minutes explaining the 3 sections of your project, which is who is your person, what is their achievement, how does it have a global impact. You will also be graded based on speaking clearly and distinctly all of the time and not mispronouncing words. You might want to double check. You might want to use cards or some kind of notes to keep you on track, because you don't want to have your entire video look like this. My person is you don't want to sound like that with your human achievement. So I hope this helps get your brain back focused. Welcome back to school, or I hope you're enjoying your fall break and you aren't too bored. Due dates. I apologize. Let me hit that really quick before I stop. For those of us who are waiting until after fall break to watch this video, let's scroll up to the top of our assignment. We've gone over this a ton of times before fall break, but I understand that was a week ago. Your research was due on Friday before you left. Your Google Slides are due by the 13th. So one group is going to do it, and I'm not sure if my calendar shows up on this video, so I'm hoping it does. One group is going to do it on Monday the 12th, and the other group is going to do it on Tuesday the 13th. And then the Flipgrid or video program of your choice is going to be Wednesday and Thursday. This whole entire project is due on Friday, October 16th. I will be grading over the October 17th weekend. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, I'm still working even though we're on fall break, so feel free to reach out to me. I hope you guys are getting lots of rest and relaxation and coming back ready to hit the ground running. I'm super excited. I have some new things to show you guys. So, and those of you that are watching this now that we're back at school, I'm kind of excited with all of the cool things that I'm bringing back after fall break. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day. And again, any questions, please reach out. Bye.